Do you want to be able to fix any Instagram bug? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix it. But make sure that you watch this until the very end, so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first step is going to be for us to come to our Instagram app. And as you can see, I'm currently on my Instagram app right now, which is great. So what you need to do firstly is to come to your page right here. So basically come to your profile, and then the second step is going to be for us to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and as you can see, I'm now taken to this page right here, which is great. What I'm going to do in here is to simply firstly click where it says settings. So click on settings in here, and as you can see, we're now taken to this page right here, which is great. Now I'm just going to scroll down, and then I'm going to click where it says help. So click on help in here, and perfect, we're now taken here, which is great. What I'm going to do in here is to simply click where it says report a problem, because this is going to be actually, when you click on report a problem, this is going to be your way to contact the Instagram support, because they are the only way that you can actually be able to fix any Instagram bug. So in here, I'm going to click where it says report a problem. For some of you, you will need to shake your phone to be able to come to this page right here, basically. So as you can see, I'm now taken here, which is great. In here, you are able to contact directly the Instagram support. Not many people know about this actually, but you do you are able to contact the support by this page. So you need to write exactly like this to their support right now. I am having issues. Then write the exact bug that you're having. For example, I'm not able to upload stories. I'm just going to make something up for this tutorial just so you can actually follow along step by step. But just write the exact problem that you're having, and then write please fix this, because it's a very important function for my Instagram user experience. Explain to them that it's very important for your user experience, just so that they can actually have this as an urgent, basically, to fix this. Because of course nobody wants to lose customers, right? And you are kind of a customer to Instagram when you think about it. So basically, if you are going to maybe leave Instagram, then of course they want to do everything to be able to keep you around. So you need to explain to them that this is very important function for you, and then click on send in the top right corner. Now wait about 1 to 2 business days for it to actually be solved. So I hope that this will fix any kind of problems that you might have with Instagram. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.